Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. How to fix printer error 0x00000002 operation failed in Windows. Are you encountering the frustrating printer error operation failed on your Windows computer? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll guide you through the troubleshooting steps to resolve this common printer issue. Following these steps, you can fix the printer error 0x00000002 operation failed and get your printer back up and running smoothly. Enjoy uninterrupted printing in no time. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. The first solution is to run a printer troubleshooter. Running a printer troubleshooter helps detect and resolve printer-related issues and its apps. The troubleshooter will scan your computer for issues and apply appropriate fixes if any issues are found. To do this, press Windows or the Start button at the lower left, then click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. At Settings windows, click Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot at the left pane. Click Additional Troubleshooters, scroll down and click Printer. Click Run the Troubleshooter tab. Printer Troubleshooter will now search for problems. Select your printer from the list of options you want to troubleshoot. If problems are detected, it will show potential fixes. If there are no problems detected, close the troubleshooter window. Now check if the printer error or operation failed error is fixed. If not, proceed to the next solution. The next solution is to check the Print Spooler service. The Print Spooler service is responsible for managing print jobs in the Windows operating system. If this service encounters any problems or stops running, it can lead to various printer-related errors. Therefore, make sure to check the Print Spooler service to ensure the service is properly running and is not causing the error or conflicts with the printer. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open Run dialog box. At Run dialog box, type services.msc and press Enter. Scroll down and locate Print Spooler service. Right-click on the service and then select Restart. Then right-click on the service and select Properties. At Properties window, make sure Startup Type is set to Automatic. Click Apply to apply changes made, and then click OK to confirm and exit. Now check if printer error or operation failed error is fixed. If not, proceed to the next solution. The third solution is to update Windows. Updating Windows can help fix corrupted files and to ensure that your operating system has the latest bug fixes, patches, and updates that can potentially address known printer-related issues. First, press the Windows key or Start button, then click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. Now, select Update and Security. Then click the Check for Updates tab. Windows will now search for updates. If there is an available update, click Download and Install, and then wait for the update process to finish. Once finished, you can now restart your computer. Now, check if printer error or operation failed error is fixed. If not, proceed to the next solution. The next solution is to update printer drivers. Updating printer drivers ensures the computer has the latest and compatible software for printer hardware. Updating also helps address several issues that may be causing printer errors to occur. To do this, press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. At the Run box, type devmgmt.msc and press Enter. At Device Manager, click Printers to expand it. Right-click on your printer and click Update Driver from the drop-down menu. Select Search automatically for drivers. Once the best drivers are installed, click Close to exit. Check if printer error or operation failed error is fixed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.